right, so today we're going to be talking about this imperfection I have in this little pot. Now I joined two pieces together to make one, and that's where that seam is. It should have been taken care of, but instead I'm going to lean into it. I'm going to go ahead and carve out that line all around it and another one on the bottom, and I'm going to put some text on the inside. It's going to look really nice, I hope. And then I'm going to go ahead and carve some beautiful branches and flowers, and we'll see where that takes us. So if you're up for it, let's go and start. I want you to notice in the blossoms and the branches, there are no perfect lines. Nothing straight, nothing smooth. It's irregular. It's natural. So all the people out there that have maybe a tremor in their hand, or they have maybe a disability in their grip, this is where you're going to shine. And I want you to. So try it. I want to talk about how I'm doing these strokes. So let's look. Can you see it? It's pretty irregular, and I want it to be. The foreground, the branch, and the blossoms are all very strong strokes. So I want the background to have sort of a soft feel, so you can kind of see the white and the clay body that I'm scratching back to. Just because a lot of it is very plain, and I wanted that. I wanted there to be more white space, but now I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh, that's too much white space. So I'm going to give it a texture. Now it's probably going to tear up my hand just because it needs so much, but I think this pot will be worth it. And so come and watch me. Thanks for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed it. When I see you next, we're going to be painting it. It's going to be really pretty. See you then.